Hello everyone, this is Alex Basuro. Um, Recently I posted this infographic on social media, and so some of you have been asking me how I did that, how I not how I posted this on social media, obviously, or how I created the infographic, more than what it is related to these numbers over here. How is it that using logos you can know the percentage of difference of textual differences between one translation of the Bible and the other? So the purpose of this video is to walk you through so you can do it yourself using any two Bible versions that you want. Some of you have been asking me to compare, for instance, NASB 77 against 95. Now I could do it. The reason I'm not doing it is because I don't have the NASB 77 in my Logos package. And honestly, I'm not willing to invest $10 in a version that I'm not really interested in. Don't take offense of that. But instead, for those who have the two Bible translations on logos that you want to compare, feel free to do what I'm about to do, and as a change of appreciation for this video, I'm gonna ask you to just leave a comment with the Bible translations that you compared and what was the result, what was the number of the Bible translations that you compared. All right. So let's do it. So here I am in Logos Bible Solver. I'm using version 10. So it's pretty simple actually. You just go to Tools, Text Comparison Tool, and then here click on this section where, I mean, last time that I used this, I was using these three Bible translations, but do whatever you want to compare. So for instance, I know that I have the RSV, right? Then I'm just removing the other translations, and I'm gonna do the New Revised Standard Version. Let's do those two. All right, so I'm gonna compare RSV and New Revised Standard Version. All right, so here you can see the text comparison of RSV against New Revised Standard Version of 2 John 12. And for 2 John 12, there's an 8% textual difference between this one verse. And you can activate this to see like exactly what the change was. Pretty cool, right? Well, that doesn't help a lot because this is 8% difference in this verse. So the way to check of the whole Bible is that you type here Genesis through Revelation, like that. Okay, and then you're gonna have all of this, right? Now, if I were to scroll down, it'll show me like all the verses of the Bible and how different they are, one verse to the other. So the how you get like how different they are, like, or the whole Bible, not verse by verse, is that you click here and then print export, and then you wait. So I'm gonna do right now a time lapse. All right, so I'll be back in 2 seconds with the result. All right, so here we got the result after a couple of minutes. This will depend on your processing capabilities. After you have this place, just click on actual size right here, and then go up, and then you have this number 15.3. So there's a 15.3% of the textual differences between the RSV and the new RSV. That's it. That's your result. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment in this video with the translations that you compared and what's your results, right? See you next time.